I think a challenge during this time of year, it's also respiratory virus season. So there's lots of viruses that lead to runny nose, cough, low-grade fever. Whooping cough also has those same symptoms early on. What's unique about whooping cough is after about a week or so of this general respiratory symptoms, there is an ongoing cough. And this cough can last for months and months. And it is called whooping cough. Typically in young children, they cough, and when they inhale after a big long episode of coughing, you can hear that whoop.